But I got out and I said, you know what, no more drugs, because obviously it was definitely helping with my life. Now, the funny thing is that we've got a conscious mind, right? A conscious mind that is a part of us that is logic. It's a part of us that is reasoning. It does planning. It's systematic. It's very calculated. It's a part of us that thinks. And then on the other hand, we've got your unconscious mind. And it's all about emotion. It's all about habits. It stores your attitudes, your values, your beliefs, who you are. And consciously, people try to change all the time, and that's hard. In neuroscience, they call it top to bottom change. That's where with your willpower, you're trying to think, and you're trying to change so much. But the problem is that when you try to do this top to bottom change, where your neocortex and you're trying to think it out and trying to do your new behaviors consciously, it can be hard. And a lot of people, they will come up with a New Year's resolution, right? Who's had a New Year's resolution before? Like, I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to find new wealth. I'm going to stop drinking for a week. It's a very conscious goal. But the problem is that your conscious mind is the goal setter, but your unconscious mind is the goal getter. And when we've got baggage at the unconscious level, when we've got conflict, when the unconscious mind doesn't value this goal or feels like it's losing something, doesn't like that, which is the problem with the language of I'm going to lose weight, because your unconscious mind doesn't like to lose things, for one, and two, it doesn't process negations. So it's much better to gain health and fitness.